This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed seeds for weight gain. Mixed seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet if you are looking to increase your caloric intake in a healthy way. They are packed with essential nutrients like healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all crucial for supporting muscle growth and overall well-being. By adding them to your meals, you can easily boost your daily calories and achieve your weight gain goals effectively and deliciously. When choosing seeds for weight gain, focus on varieties known for their high caloric density and nutritional value. Chia seeds, for instance, are tiny powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Flax seeds offer healthy fats and lignans, which aid digestion. Pumpkin seeds provide a good source of protein and zinc, while sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E and beneficial fats. Including a mix of these ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients. Incorporating seeds into your daily diet is surprisingly simple and versatile. A popular method is blending them into your morning smoothies or protein shakes, instantly adding a significant calorie boost. You can also sprinkle them generously over yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for added texture and nutrients. For those who enjoy baking, mixing seeds into muffins or bread is an excellent way to increase caloric content. Additionally, making your own seed butter offers a delicious and calorie-dense spread. To effectively use mixed seeds for weight gain, aim for an intake of 2 to 4 tablespoons daily. It is wise to gradually increase this amount to allow your digestive system to adjust to the added fiber. For optimal results, combine seeds with other calorie-dense foods like nuts, avocados, and healthy oils. Remember to stay well hydrated, as the fiber in seeds requires sufficient water for proper digestion and to prevent discomfort. Consistency is key for achieving your weight gain objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.